Here's a quick and easy dinner for a rainy day. We're going to make some tortellini pasta with sausage and sauce. It's so easy, I already set the table. Rick, come on over and help me make this
Good,
dinner.
I'm hungry. Go. I'm glad it's going to be quick and easy because I'm hungry.
Yeah, we were looking for a quick meal to make. So
Sausage.
we're going to use a family-sized bag of 5 cheese tortellini. This is Rana brand and it's 20 ounces. So this is in the refrigerator section, like in the cheese area in the store. So it's not frozen, nice and fresh. I'm going to use a jar of Parmesan Romano spaghetti sauce. And Rick's going to get us started here by cooking up a pound of fresh sausage. And
Hatfield Country.
it's a country style.
Fresh ground sausage.
Yeah. So he's going to make this more like crumbles when he cooks it, right?
Mm-hmm.
All
Sausage.
right. Come on over. I'll show you.
This should be easy. I like sausage. Came up to a sizzle fast in our new La Crusade pans. We have water boiling in the other La Crusade. Is this French? Is this a French-themed Italian meal?
We just like the French
Sausage.
pots.
The sausage smells good.
Would you mind salting the water a little bit while you're over there?
Yep. Say when.
That's good. Thank you.
The other white meat. Chef Crusade.
It's cooking pretty quick, huh?
Chef Crusade.
That's you.
Oui, oui. Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Wow, you had French class.
Ferme la bouche. Les Volkswagen, oui?
Wow! I never knew.
Macon head. Frying up quick.
All right, that's good.
Didn't have to add any oil to the pan.
It looks good.
How long might the tortellini take to boil?
It's supposed to boil for 4 minutes or 5 minutes if you like it soft.
We would like this to come to a rapid boil first, though.
Yeah, we need it boiling.
Berlin. How's everybody doing today? Staying out of trouble?
Yep, are you cooking up some of the food you have in your supply for these weeks?
We're lucky we have a lot of food around here.
When I got this tortellini, I wasn't sure how long we were gonna keep it. So I bought some things that have expiration dates that are further out in case we needed
Ready
to
for
keep
that?
it.
It's like watching sausage fry.
All right, your sausage is looking good.
Turn the
Oh, you
heat
better
down
get
a
it in.
little bit. Oh, you want to take over the second half, right?
Oh, you want it here?
No,
I'll open
no,
it up.
you do that. I'm the meat guy. You're the noodle guy.
All right.
All right. My job is done here.
Oh, I couldn't see it from there, but it is a nice boil.
It's a rolling boil.
Rolling boil. All right, here we go. Now they instructed us on the package, don't break them apart if they're stuck together because they'll separate naturally. But look how nice they are. Can you see them real good?
You gonna put any oil in there?
No. Won't take long.
What's
Because-
inside of them?
Cheese, it's 5 cheese.
Oh,
4 minutes. Ricotta, mozzarella, romano, mascarpone, and fontina cheeses. Wow,
they look like ears.
that's a nice combination. They look like ears.
Ears.
This looks good. Should we turn it off?
You think it's done?
Well, there's a couple pink spots, but it's going to sit here for 4 minutes on a hot pan.
Sure.
Alright, we'll turn it off because this pan holds the heat for a while and it looks perfect. It's going to keep it nice and warm for us while these cooking up. Oh, let's get the sauce ready.
Sauce?
Sauce. So we're going to use the Wegmans Parmesan Romano. I love this sauce. Oh my god. And we're going to serve it in such an easy way. And put these on separately.
However you like it.
That's how I like it.
Say the word.
Pasta word.
Say it, say it. You said it. Smells good.
Yeah, that sausage looks good.
Should we add anything else in there? Garlic or seasoning or oregano or what we got over there?
Let's do something.
Everything. How about that onions you've been liking?
Yeah, I like the onion all of a sudden. Oregano's a good idea. Cumin's going to get us into the Indian taste. But where's the oregano? I lost it. Oh, down here. We got some minced onion and some oregano. Should we put it in with the sausage?
Sure.
All right. I like the way this shakes in. It's really gives some good flavor. I'm going to take some oregano and put it in here too. Gotta watch the time. We only got 2 more minutes on the pasta.
Good. It's almost time to eat. I'm ready.
I'm going to stir in all the spices, if you don't mind.
Oh.
All right. Look at how they puffed up, Rick.
Big ears.
Oh,
Big cheesy ears. You can get them stuffed with meat too, right?
oh yes, you can.
Anything, right?
Yep.
Tortellini. Nick Tortelli. Loretta.
Serve it up.
Go ahead.
All right, I'm just heating the sauce a little more. Oh, sorry.
Sure smells good.
Yeah. The tortellini's done perfectly here now. You can look how soft it is, but it didn't open up. So I'm going to put this on our plates first. Ooh, the sauce is bubbling. Ah.
Wow.
I just want to get them out of the water quick. Then we'll make them up.
I was going to make bread this morning, but I didn't.
Oh, that's...
I thought about it though. It's so easy in the bread machine.
Yeah, that would be nice. But we got enough food here right now. Alright, a few more on this one. I hope you're hungry.
Yep.
Now, if you wanted to, you could mix all this together, but, you know, I really like to portion everything out.
You may put it all in a big bowl, meat,
Put it
sauce,
on a big bowl, but
pasta,
then, right,
or do it like this. Maybe somebody doesn't want meat.
right, you could do it that way.
Or maybe you want to melt butter on there or olive oil
Yeah.
without red sauce.
Oops. Okay.
that mine or yours?
This is yours.
And what are you gonna do with sauce?
I'm gonna put it right in the middle and we're gonna make a nice,
Oh, fancy.
colorful plate. Wow. Let's see how that looks.
That looks good.
Put it over here.
Gotta eat.
And then we're gonna shave on some of the nice Parmigiano Reggiano. Say when.
Nope. Hey.
I'm getting, look how nice.
All right, set yours up.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit down and start getting ready. All right.
Okay.
Come with me. There we are.
I need to picture this with my camera then. For our Instagram.
Are you on Instagram?
Well, we're gonna be by tomorrow.
What do you put it on your?
Yeah, but we're gonna
Instagram?
have a pasta word.
We're on Facebook. You can put it there. How's that?
Sorry, I need a moment here.
It's okay. You want some?
Good. Good. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna bring the rest of the sauce over just in case we get a little more sauce. There's food in here.
Are you eating with us?
Hope you're eating with this. This really smells good.
You can put this down a little bit.
Okay. Or closer. Is that good?
Yep.
Nice Italian dinner, huh?
Manja. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh gosh.
Cheesy tortellinis.
That sausage is very good. Nice dinner.
Thank you. 46 degrees and cloudy outside today. Hope you're all doing good. What are you having tonight? We had a lot of responses about the pasta on the pizza question.
We made
pizza
on Rick's
video.
channel.
Yeah, last night.
We'll put the link there for that, right?
Mm-hmm.
On that video we asked for some feedback on, would you like to see pasta on pizza on our pasta channel? And it would be something like this or some surprise.
Yeah.
I know you would like to keep a surprise.
I thought of something good.
But
We
let
might
us
like
know here too, if you would, right?
Mm-hmm. When we go to the pizzeria, when they have like 8 different flavors there, they have tortellini on, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Is it white or red?
It's white, what I've seen. I mean, they have sauce underneath it, but on top it's cheesy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Real thick slices.
I know my son likes that one. He likes the
Yeah.
tortellini pizza. He used to ask me to get him a couple slices for his lunch
Oh.
sometimes. Mm-hmm.
I don't think I ever had it.
Well, we'll see what people think.
Right now we're watching Little People, Big World, the roll-offs. Haven't seen them in a while. There's a marathon on. Not much to watch. It's fun. Last night we saw a movie on Amazon called Blow the Man Down.
Did you hear of that one?
That was pretty good. It's filmed in Maine, in like a fishing town. There's gossiping old ladies and young girls that get in trouble. Kind of a mystery, it's pretty good. On Amazon.
Yeah. That was exciting. You know, I'd like to say thanks to everybody who subscribed in the last couple days. It really is nice to see your support.
Thank you.
And we hope that you enjoy being a subscriber because we're going to give you lots of recipes that are really tasty, right? So,
Yeah.
so hopefully you'll enjoy them.
And we like when you eat with us. Okay, have a nice night. Make some of this if you got some in your cabinet. Or whatever you got, put it together and make a good meal, right? It's easy.
Yeah, don't be afraid to alter our recipes. Make them your own. That's what we really love to hear, how you changed our recipe a little bit to make it something that you like or something that you have.
This is really good. Is there any left? Oh, it's all gone, huh? That's enough. This would have fed 4 maybe regular people, maybe.
Yeah, with a salad or another
Yeah.
piece of bread or something.
Maybe we should get some bread too. All right. Thanks everybody. Please subscribe. Stay safe and healthy.
Bye.
Eat more.